guys, these bears showed up in full force overnight. So what does that mean, guys? So I wanted to zoom out and refer to the bigger time frame, guys, because you never want to go against the bigger time frame. So when we zoom out to the monthly here on the ES, we see that we had a big rejection at this moving average right here, guys. Big rejection. So what does that mean exactly? It means chances are, if we can't hold above this second moving average right here, we're going to go back down to the 4100 level, right? Which will be the equivalent of around 410 on the SPY, okay? Because remember, SPY tracks the ES, right? So let's go to the weekly here. The question is, will we be able to hold right here? Will we be able to hold this 4200 level? That's the real question. I got my drawings taken off, but let me put them back on. The question is, can we hold above 4200? If we can't hold above 4200, guys, then the next test will be 4100. Okay, and if the 4100 breaks, we're going way down. Okay, so right now we're on a weekly chart here. On the weekly chart, the target, we want to see it hold up above this moving average. Okay, but let's see here. On a daily, it's already broken down. Okay, but we want to see if it holds above the 4200. Will it? We shall see. But that would be my first downside target right now, the 4207 level, 4200. Okay, this range right here. So just as a reminder, I don't marry any thesis, I don't marry any idea. I stick strictly to what I see on the chart, because in these markets it's irrational. You never know, right? And even when it should make sense, sometimes it doesn't. So never marry a thesis. Okay, so we went from being bullish to bearish, right? We took out all these lows right here, and we're crossing down underneath the moving average. How far are we to go? No one knows, but we do have an idea. The idea is we need to stay above 4200 to prove we're still bullish. If it breaks 4200, then all those people that were saying it was simply just a bear rally, they were correct, and chances are we're about to go back way down. Okay, so what does that mean for you? Well, that means that maybe you want to come up with a hedging strategy for your portfolio. Maybe you want to take profits. If you've gained any profits over the last couple of weeks, you want to be looking to maybe protect those profits. Right now I would be telling you to preserve your capital, right, until this cleans up and looks better. Right now, for most of you, you're not really good at shorting. So if you're not a good shorter, right, making money while the market goes down, i.e. betting against the market, then this is where you take your profits and sit it out, right? But if you are a shorter and you prefer making money on the way down, well, this is a good time to be buying put options and doing everything you can to take advantage of the downtrend. Now, if you've been following this channel, you already know what the NASDAQ is going to look like. Same thing, guys, with the NASDAQ. We couldn't hold above the 13,600 level. We couldn't get back above it. So now we're going down. Let's go to the monthly on the NASDAQ and look at it. So on the NASDAQ here, guys, as you can see, see here. We had a rejection on the moving average as well. So we want to see what happens here. And let's see. Let's go to what's the levels we want to watch here. Now, the NASDAQ, guys, I want to see it hold above the 13,000. Even though the moving average technically comes down to 12,900, I want to see it hold above 13,000. This is the personal preference. That's going to tell me a lot, personally. If we get to 13,000, it won't take much to break through that moving average right there. Okay, so that's my quick analysis and where I believe we're headed. If you have guys any questions, concerns, feedback, feel free to leave them below this video. Be sure to share this video with people that may be interested in learning a little bit about what's going on in the markets. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys this evening. And for those of you who are into Forex, well, chances are we know the dollar is strong right now, right? So let's look at the dollar real quick. Which is DXY. The dollar is strong, so that means it's a good time to go sell it against other currencies, or buy it against other currencies, right? This is British pound, for example. You know, dollar strong, British pound down, so you go sell the British pound, right? So just for example, you can go sell the euro, right? Let's look at the euro. Euro's down, right? 382 pips to be exact. But yeah, this is how you take advantage of this information, guys. Alright, I'll talk to you guys this evening. Peace.